Alright, so now as you can see, the two lights on the right hand side are on, and the one on the left hand side is off, which is the red light. Roxanne, no need to turn on the red light. Anyways, no, this is in regards to having a hot ground or reverse, or a hot neutral reverse. So get yourself one of these. Big shout out to GB. Oh, there you go, right there. Alright, you guys take care. I appreciate everybody sticking around. Gotta get going. You guys take care. Have a wonderful evening. And of course, later on, I'm going to patch all this, paint it. You never noticed it was there. Later on, to get that fixed up as well. I'll probably end up changing this outlet out again later on, doing something else. But it's good to know that it's at least working for now. All right, everybody. Thank you guys for hanging around. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Peace out.